Well guys, during our today's tutorial we're gonna paint this lovely flower, and I hope you will like it. Guys, my sketch and my reference picture you might download following the link in the description of our tutorial, so please go ahead and download that and paint same picture. I wish you good luck and inspiration in your own art projects. And if you're ready, let's start. But before that, guys, if you like my classes, if you like all my tutorials, if you want to see new tutorials, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's go. I will go and grab Perfect Etcher and smudger brush. Now let's start painting. You can increase the size of the brush, like that. Go to a darker color, and here we have a shade. So if you don't lift your Apple Pencil, it means that the liquid that you are adding is pretty transparent. So now I lift my Apple Pencil. I just blur some parts, like this. And guys, what we can do, I will show you one magic trick. We will just go ahead and duplicate this colorful leaf, and after we will just move it to this part, like that. And after press distort. After that, go and grab blending tool. As in Blender, I am using Watercolor smudger. You can increase the size and don't forget to merge it together. Have it on the same layer. So we've done with leaves for now. Now let's go and grab light green color, and I want to finish painting this part of our plant. Okay, cool. So guys, if you want to paint some flower, it's very important to see where is light side, where is dark side, and keep this balance between shadow and a light side. I forgot about, you see, one more leaf, so I will return to our green color, grab a light green color, and also start adding some shades here. Let's return again on our leaf, and we're gonna go and grab a little bit darker color. Once again, something between purple and blue color. And grab actually blue color, pretty light one, yeah, here. And I want to add some random blue lines all around. My next step is actually you can make it more saturated, and it's pretty easy to make. So first of all, you go to the selection tool, press freehand, and after just select some parts and you will get some random lines. Press feather, 12%, adjustments, hue, saturation, and brightness layer. Like that. And guys, now next thing I'm gonna go and grab some water, and for that I will go and grab a watercolor shade, increase the size, and my aim is just roughly show shade from the water like this. Next thing, just duplicate it, and now we have very beautiful water, and merge it together like that. Well, cool. And speaking about our paint, and you see here we have a reflection. That's what we are going to do, and I actually want to do it right now. So I have our flower, I will duplicate it, and after I will press it upside down, put it upside down. This is pretty gentle. And my next step, you see, because this is very gentle, we actually don't need to emphasize details and so on, but I need to show the blur. So I will go and grab Gaussian blur. Okay, we've done with our reflection. This is lovely. Now let's keep adding some shades. And for doing that, we can lower the opacity of our sketching layer, and after I want to get rid of transparency here. And for doing that, I need to duplicate our layers, duplicate it a few times, merge together and merge together. Let's do the same with our leaves. Very lovely. Duplicate, go to lower layer, turn brightness to maximum, create a new layer, and on the top of our leaf, on a new layer, I will press clip and mask. It means that I can paint just on our area of a leaf. And I will grab BooStudio brush, which is BooFlat watercolor brush, and I want to add some sharp lines all around. Once again, we always have a shade from two objects that are close to each other, like that. So let's go to our lily and press clip and mask again. I will go and grab BooStudio watercolor brush, same blue color, and I want to show beautiful shades. After that, I will go and change the brush to BooFlat watercolor, create a new layer and put this layer in a clip and mask mode. Grab slightly blue color. Now I want to show and separate different parts of flowers, different petals from each other. And after that, I will merge it together, merge together. Yeah, like that. last step, I will merge it together. I will return to our leaf, and after that go to selection tool, press automatic. Now our leaf is selected, and I will press feather and tap 2% or something. Hue, saturation, brightness, and now you see I want to make the edges of our painting pretty sharp, you see. And now we emphasize those parts. Next part, I will go to water, selection tool, freehand. Press feather, 9% hue, saturation, brightness. Lower the brightness, increase saturation a little bit. And that's it. And we're almost done, guys. I will create a new layer, my final details. I will change the brush to Poo Oriental brush and grab purple color, and guys, I'm on a new layer, don't forget about that. Now my next suggestion is, let's lower the opacity of our shading layer here, like that. And I'm pretty satisfied with what we have. Yeah, pretty good. Merge it together, and final details, I will create a new layer. Grab Watercolor bubbles. Lower the opacity of our bubbles, of course. And if you like, you can play with hue, saturation, and brightness, make them brighter, change the colors, like this. Well, I like that. And guys, final detail, we can merge all of it together like that. After that, I want to make it brighter. I will go and press curves, make it a lot darker and more saturated. We go to selection tool, press rectangle. And now let's select the areas that you want to keep, like that, and press copy and paste. And now we have our amazing picture. We just place it somewhere in the center. And that's it. Guys, we've done with our lily. And if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new video. Bye bye!